In my earlier video, I have talked about cards. Now we will learn about face cards. These are my face cards. This is your Jack. You can see faces on them, Queen and King. So each type, if I talk about spades, there are 3 face cards. And if I talk about clubs, again 3, diamonds, again 3, and hearts, again 3. Now if they say what is the probability of getting face card, so how many are there? 12 face cards are there. So let's check. Now these are the black ones, these are the red ones. So you have to take that also. In case they are talking about only red face cards, then only 6 red face cards will be successful. If they are talking about only the word face card is there, then we are talking about all the face cards which are 12 in number. So Jack, Queen and King are called face cards. So total number of face cards, total number of face cards will be 3 in each. So we will have 12. So whenever they are asking probability, if they are asking probability getting a face card, so I'll be successful how many times? 12 times, because when you will see your deck of cards, 12 face cards are there. So always write the formula. This is number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. So I'll write here at the top, the probability will be now, and you must mention what probability you are, just don't leave it as P. We are talking about getting a face card. So after writing the formula, probability getting a face card, I'll be successful after writing the formula 12 times out of 52. So now you can do the cutting. 2 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12. Again you can cut it. 2 3s are 6. So my probability of getting a face card will be, out of 13 there are 3 face cards. So always leave your answer in lowest term, and in case they ask if the question is probability getting a black king, so how many kings are black? Only 2 kings are black. So 2 out of 52, and your probability will be 1 out of 26 after you cut it. Now let's talk about where we roll 2 dice. So in such questions you have to learn, you should know how to make a table, and from there whatever question comes you can find the probability. If 2 dice are rolled, 2 plural was die, now I am talking about 2, so 2 dice are rolled. Let's make table. These are my columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is, I am talking about dice A, suppose right? I am talking dice A. Now let me write here about the second dice. These are my rows. These are the numbers on die. So first we copy the row. So we copy 1 and then we copy the column. First we copy which row I am talking about. Third row, first column. Fourth row, first column. Fifth row, first column. Sixth row, first column. So you have to write all these observations. This is 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. So this way you can complete the table. Now in case from this table they ask a probability, what is the probability of getting 1 on both the die? So I am successful only once. So probability will be, what are my total observation? These are 6, these are 6. So total observation will be 6 into 6, 36. You can see here also, once you will complete the table, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and in 6 rows you will complete 36. So in such a case, you should know how to make the table. First row written and then the column number written. Second row written and then the column number. Let's do one question on this now. If I write I'm writing here because I'll use these observations. So probability getting some 3 when 2 dice are rolled. So you can see here it will be 2, 2, 2, 3. So sum is increasing, and here the sum is 4. Here the sum is 4. I want sum 3. So you can check 1 plus 1 gives me 2. So I am not successful here. 1 plus 2 gives me 3. And 2 plus 1 also gives me 3. So I am successful how many times? 2 times. So after writing your formula, you can say 2 out of 36. Total is 6 into 6. So 36. So I am successful 2 times. And when you bring it to lowest term, you get 1 upon 18. So after completing the table, whatever question comes, if they are asking sum 5, then you can check when you are successful. Here, here, and here also you will be successful. So you can check these observations, complete the table, and whatever question is asked, you can give your answer accordingly.